to Fun Times with Ron, and today we have a special guest, and it's me, Angel. So Ron invited me to build this new toy, and thank you, Ron. You're welcome. So today we are building the Parisian Restaurant, and this set is 10243, and this is recommended for ages 16 and up. So this is the front side. You will see the Parisian Restaurant already built. And here the back side, they're doing lots of stuff. So yeah, let's get started! So this is the finished product. So here's at the front. As you can see, there's a restaurant called the Chez Albert Restaurant, and as you can see, there's a menu here, and these plants, the flowers, chair and table, and the bench, and the lamp pole, and there's windows here with these leaves, so cool, and flowers. And whoever made this architecture is awesome. So next, let's go to the other side. So here's the other side. There's a terrace dining. So they can see the Eiffel Tower in Paris, of course. So I think this girl is getting engaged by this boy who has a ring. So yeah. So it has too much cute details like this. Leaves here. It's like old, but. So there's a little trash can with some trash. It's so cool. I like the detail. So yeah, and there's many flowers here. It's color pink, and some lamps, and yeah. So I like that this design is so cool. So whoever made this, shout out for you. So yeah, let's go inside. Okay, let's go inside. Okay. So we're on the third floor, and this is the front of the third floor. It has some croissants and a shell in the middle, and it has a really nice architectural design. It's so nice. So let's go to the back and see what's inside. So at the back there is a staircase going up, and there's a cactus plant, and if you want to see inside, you just need to open this, and there. So this is the room of the painter, and this is the painter, a minifigure, and it has a white t-shirt and a blue pants with a braided hair, and she is holding a paintbrush. So she stays here. So there are some canvases with paint, and here is a little paint, what do you call this? Something, okay. So yeah, and then there's another canvas here with a painting. So this is the second painting. Just gonna get it. So here is the second painting. It has red, yellow, green, and blue. So this is abstract. So yeah, let's go on to the next floor. And now we're going to the second floor, which there were two parts. The big terrace where customers dine out, and the apartment which we will review. So there is two identical windows and a glass door, and the terrace where tenants will go and will check if there's something growing outside. And here is the beautiful flowers, and this leaves that the architect, and I love this architecture, and whoever made this is awesome. We are now at the back of the second floor. As you can see, there's two doors right here and here, and the staircase leading to the third floor. And here is a waiter and a guy proposing to a girl, and this is a decoration of flowers. So this is like a romantic restaurant. And here is the lamppost where you can do romantic stuff. And here is the rail so no one can fall. And there is another lamp here, and the terrace right here. And now this is what it looks like inside the apartment. And we have two cabinets right here, this and this. And we have a pan here to cook food, and an oven which you can cook some cupcakes or cakes or anything. And we have here a chair and a table and a mug. And here is a Morphe bed. Where the owner of this apartment wants a rest, and he can just put it up if visitors come and want to do something so they cannot fall over when they sit down. Now this is the other side, and now you can see a fireplace and a spinning chair that you can adjust so the owner of this apartment can relax. And here is some footstool where you can put your feet, and or a coffee table again, or a normal table. And there is a small lampshade to give light to the apartment. And sometimes Paris is cold, so you need a fireplace. So next is the ground floor. So here you will see a lamppost and a bench for like they're waiting for their service or the bus. And here there's some bushes here. And there is a stairway for going to the second floor. So yeah, here is a menu. So, and then here is a red carpet leading inside. So this is called the Ches Albert restaurant, and here there's like a little hut. So yeah, and here there's some flowers and stuff, and some chains and a bush here again. And here you will see an outside dining. So this is the roof, and there are some leaves here. So the purpose of this is to protect the customers from the sunlight. And yeah, let's go at the back. So here is the dine-in. There are some curtains here, 2 curtains, and there are lamps so you can see. And here are some chairs, and they will put the food here, of course. And here you will see there's so there's a painting. There's like a boat with a moon. And here there's a wine cellar here. There are three bottles. So there is a cabinet and some stuff. And now let's go to the kitchen. So here is the kitchen. There's a chef slicing the chicken, and the chicken can actually put its leg out like this, so it won't be as fat as like this. So there's some plates and some cute little detailed pie and a cupcake, 2 cupcakes, and there's a cute little detailed clock and some pot and a stove, and here are some cabinets, and they are here. There's a refrigerator, so they could put like the milk and stuff, and here are the knives and the rolling pin, and a sink here, and here you'll see a broom. So yeah, that's the first floor. So yeah. Thank you again for inviting me, and you're welcome. So guys, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, share, rate, and subscribe. Thumbs up. Bye guys!